This strategy combines two powerful free TradingView indicators to create a reliable trading approach that significantly reduces false signals. By following specific setup rules and strict entry conditions, you can identify high-probability trading opportunities across various markets. Let's dive in. The Trend Trader Quran indicator, by TradingScan or TTK for short, is a modified version of the half-trend indicator that identifies trend direction and potential reversal points on price charts. It distinguishes itself by allowing traders to analyze two different trend periods simultaneously, main trend and current trend, with the ability to adjust the main trend to different time frames for multi-time frame analysis. This indicator calculates trend direction using price swings and moving averages, plotting a trend line that changes color based on the detected direction. When the trend shifts, the indicator generates potential entry signals with arrow markers. The dual-period functionality helps traders distinguish between short-term fluctuations and the broader market direction. The second tool in this strategy is UCS Squeeze Optimization by UDAYCS and Thakumar, an advanced momentum indicator designed to detect market squeeze conditions, periods of low volatility that often lead to significant price movements. It visualizes momentum using a color-coded histogram and a zero line. Green indicates increasing positive momentum, while blue signals positive but weakening momentum. Red represents squeeze conditions or negative momentum, and orange shows decreasing negative momentum. This indicator includes multiple optimization features, such as Heikin-Ashi candle calculations, and the choice between Bollinger Band ratio or rate of change, ROC, for momentum measurement. Customizable parameters include squeeze length, Bollinger Band and Keltner channel multipliers, and momentum smoothing. If you want a complete trading system with full customization so you don't have to jump between tools, Quantum Ribbon Pro was built for that. Link in the description. Let's continue. For our strategy to work, set the TTK indicator's main trend to 4 hours, as we'll be taking the entries on 1 hour chart. Disable the shapes. We do this to eliminate as many false signals as possible. Instead, we'll get our entries confirmed by UCS Squeeze indicator. Set both squeeze and momentum smoothing to 30. In our case, for BTC USD 1 hour chart, I found these to work best. If you want more trading opportunities, you can try lower settings. For more reliable but fewer trading opportunities, set lengths to higher values. You got to be patient with this strategy, as there are strict rules to be followed. To enter long, the current trend line must be above the main trend, and the USC squeeze histogram must be colored in green. However, we don't take trades on the initial break, even when indicators signal it. Instead, we wait for a pullback and confirmation signs. During that pullback, the price must dip below the current trend line, but not cross below the main trend level. Otherwise, it means the trend isn't strong enough yet to enter. As you see in this case, the price gets rejected by the current trend line. USC squeeze indicator confirms with positive momentum by green histogram bar, and we also see the price breaking through this resistance level and retesting it, which is another valuable confirmation that gives us more confidence to enter. We place our stop loss below the most recent swing low and target at least 2 times risk. Often we see the price keep going without any retest and not giving us the opportunity. But hey, this is part of the game, and these strict rules will keep us out of many bad trades too. Let's review short setup, but before that, I wanted to show you another thing the USC squeeze is good at, which is spotting divergences. As you can see, while the price kept making higher highs, the indicator gave us early warnings that the momentum is getting weaker and price might enter consolidation or reverse, with the latter happening exactly here. So it can be used as an early warning to exit trades if you're using dynamic exit methods, or even to trade reversals. To enter short position, wait for the price to cross below both TTF indicator lines and pullback when the price crosses above the current trend line, but not going above the main trend line. Enter on the price rejection confirmed by red USC squeeze indicator bar. If you're looking for more TradingView indicators, check our recent video where we reviewed and ranked 5 of them.